Always alerting, always tracking. This is Next Weather.
Next Weather Chief Meteorologist and Hurricane Specialist Ivan Cabrera joins us with the latest forecast, and that Saharan dust is still keeping the tropics quiet.
That is absolutely right, and that's hugely important, although that Saharan dust and the season for it really ends through the early part of August, which is no coincidence why the season ramps up. Conditions become more favorable for that, but right now holding things at bay. Lots of showers and thunderstorms for today, and the ones that formed were able to produce some heavy rainfall here with a tropical wave nearby, and that has got us here with upwards of half an inch, some spots closer to an inch, and in fact Kendall over an inch of rainfall. And then where we had the torrential rain and the flash flood warning earlier this afternoon, that's where we picked up anywhere from 2 to 4 inches. Would not be surprised to get some locally heavy amounts like this once the thunderstorms get going, particularly through the midday and into the afternoon. But that feature that has allowed for the thunderstorms to be such efficient rain producers, that's going to be moving towards the Gulf. So we'll be in better shape as our rain chances come down to about normal, 30–40%, and we'll keep it that way as we head into the latter part of the week and into the upcoming week. But I think for tomorrow, still another round of heavy weather before that drier air and a pretty strong east wind comes in for the middle part of the week, and that should begin to dry things out. Typical coverage heading into the weekend as we look far out to Saturday and Sunday. So this is where we are now. The tropical air mass right on top of us, depicted in the hues in purple there. As I put this in motion, you'll be able to see some dry air punching in as early as tomorrow night and continuing into Wednesday. Once we get there, the showers and thunderstorms that will develop, we're not going to have zero rain chances. Those won't have as much rain, as much moisture to be able to put down heavy amounts here. So we're looking better for the middle and latter part of the week. We don't need additional flooding, certainly with all the rain today. There is the progression for tomorrow. Showers and storms will continue through the afternoon. And watch what happens on a Wednesday. East wind begins to pull in showers in the morning and then get all the showers and thunderstorms to push over to the west coast. I think it's going to be the setup as well as we head into Thursday. That easterly flow pattern always favors the other side of the peninsula. So that's something we'll be looking forward to. In the tropics, as we continue to, see the ramp up here in August, not quite there yet. I don't want to let the lull, fool you here. The forecast has not changed. The parameters, the conditions, all the ingredients for a very busy season are still there. So as I always say, take the time now while we're quiet to make sure your hurricane kits and everything is ready in case we do get threatened by a storm. But for now, as Elliot mentioned, you can see all that plume of dust continuing to move off the continent there. Notice some tropical waves trying to get going, but they're ingesting that dry air, and so no tropical systems expected over the next 7 days as a result, and I think we'll likely get into early August without any issues. Rip current threat for tomorrow is going to be moderate. The UV index a bit lower because the cloud cover is going to be with us, and you see the showers and storms there throughout the midday and the diminishing coverage as we head through the afternoon and evening. Before we talk about rain chances, only at 30%. Not bad at all for Wednesday, Thursday, and then we'll have it